begin the installation of your boatside rocker guards, you'll first need to remove the factory rock rails using a 10mm and a 13mm socket. In this installation, we removed both doors to make it easier to clamp the rocker guards into place. Tape the vehicle on each side, starting from the middle of the lower door hinge, moving to the bottom of the rocker panel. Drill the 8 factory holes using a 1/2 drill bit, and repeat to the other side of the vehicle. Remove the bubble using a saw to bring it flush with the rocker pinch seam. The bubble is located at the front of the passenger side of the vehicle, closest to the body mount. Grind the bubble flat so the new boatside rocker guard mounts will sit flush to the seam. Install the 4 base brackets to each side of the vehicle using the factory bolt. Install this bolt finger tight. Install JT0401-11 with 2 5/16 carriage bolts through the pinch seam and into the bracket JT0401-5. Secure it with 2 zinc-plated washers and 2 nylon lock nuts. With help, raise the steel boat sides into place using a jack and snugly clamp it into place. Install the 8 5/16 button head bolts with zinc washers and lock nuts. Ensure the bolts are loose for best fitment results. Adjust the boat side armor until the center has equal gaps between the B pillar on the Jeep. Using a hammer and a countersunk center punch every hole on the rocker armor, moving from the center of the vehicle outward. Remove the boat sides from the vehicle. Drill all holes starting with a 1/8 drill bit, moving up to the final 17/32 drill bit. Remove the tape after all holes have been drilled. Install the provided press nuts into the drilled holes. For maintenance, coat each bolt in either ATF, penetrating oil, or other lubricants to prevent bolts from seizing. Loosely install the 5/16 by 3/4 countersunk hardware, starting from the center of the vehicle, then move outward. Install the 2 5/16 button head bolts with 4 5/16 zinc washers and 2 5/16 nylon lock nuts to each bracket, securing the boat side into place. Moving again from the center of the vehicle outward, install the following hardware. To finish the installation, tighten all hardware, moving from the center of the vehicle outwards.